Good morning, friends. It's Carol. I thought we'd try something fun today, and it involves tape and toys, and it's a really fun experiment. So let's give it a try, okay? Let's see what I have here. What I did is I put some tape across a doorway. As you can see, there's a doorway, and I put some masking tape and some packing tape. It's a little hard to see because it's clear, but it's there. You see it? And I crisscrossed it, put it all the way down to here. And what I did is I walked around and I tried to find some things that I wanted to see if they would stick. So let's see what I have here. Let's try the first one. Let's see. Do you think this red ball is going to stick? Now, this is very light. It's a very light one. Do you think it's going to stick to the tape? Let's give it a try. It's sticking. What do you think about this orange ball? This is the ball that has the holes in it. It's very light, but we're not sure. Let's see if that one's going to stick. Oh, nope, that was too heavy. How about this pig? Now she's very light and she's pink. Let's see if she's going to stick. Yep, she's stuck. Let's try. Let's see, what do I have here? Oh, what letter is this? You're right. It's a green letter E. Should we try it down here? It's stuck. So let's see. We have a red ball, a green E, and a pink pig that's stuck. How about this little white ball? This one's really, really light. I bet that's going to stick. Let's see. Let's put it up. Yes, it did. This one's really light. This is a little felt fish. Let's see if that's going to stay. You have to push it on a little bit to get on the sticky. Yep, that stayed. What do you think about this guy? I don't know. This little squish ball may not stick on there. But let's give it a try and see. I'm going to press a little bit harder. Nope, it's not sticking, but funny, it left some marks on the tape. Okay, so that didn't work. How about a golf ball? This is a heavy ball. It's not light like this one. See, all the heavy things didn't stick. I bet this may not stick either. So let's I'm going to push that on there. Oh, see, it won't even stay. Nope. Oh my goodness. Nope, it didn't stay. Okay, let's try. Oh, I have a marker. Should we try to see if the marker stays? I'm ready to try. Let's see. Oh, the marker's staying. Look at all those decorations we're putting on our tape. Now I have this green chick. Now that squish ball didn't stick, I'm not too sure this is going to stick either. But let's give it a try. Let's try over here. I'm going to push it against. Nope. Oh, but funny. Look what it did. It left some marks on behind. That's really cool. How about a pencil? So you have a lot more toys than I do, because I'm not in school. I don't have the toys. So I'm trying to look around and see what things I think might stick. I'm going to try to put this pencil. Ta-da! The pencil stuck. And you know what's really easy to stick? Paper. You can crumble it up, or just take pieces of paper, different color paper, and stick it on. And look at all these things that we found that will stick. This is so cool. So remember, heavy things won't stick on it, but lightweight things will stick on it. So I hope you have fun doing this at home. It was a very interesting experiment for me to see what would stick on the tape and what won't. But we also know that tape will stick to our hands, but it won't hold us up, will it? No, not at all. Okay, friends, have a good day. Enjoy this experiment.